Hi, Jules here from Jules Told Me. I am on a flying visit today to Belfast. I'm actually right on the slipway where the Titanic ship was built. I'm standing in front of Titanic Belfast. This is a really neat looking building. They don't call it a museum, they call it a visitor experience, and it's a sensational place, it really is. So there you have it. That was the story of the Titanic. I have to say that's one of the best museums I think I've ever been to. Okay, I'm holding the camera really close now. I didn't bring a tripod with me today and it's really windy out here, so when I hold the camera out I'm just getting blown all over the place. So I've got a kind of a steady shot of a corner of Titanic Belfast, and that's great. I'll see you again next time. Bye now.